I'd like to show you the tools and equipment I used to create this light painting image. The camera I used is the Insta360 1X, which captures the complete 360 environment in a single exposure. The tool I used is a white PVC pipe attached to a rubber hose adapter that I bought from the hardware store, and I've cut holes and slots down the side of the pipe. The rubber adapter allows a torch to fit snugly in the end. Here I am using a colour changing LED device. I can then use the adapter as a handle. I put the camera on a tripod and then start the exposure with my phone. I then get the tool and then wave it around like crazy, trying to cover all the open space above the camera. When doing this in the dark, you need to be really careful not to hit the two camera lenses, as they are quite delicate. Here's what the tool looks like at night. Also, I should mention that when you do light painting, you should always wear dark clothes, as wearing bright colours will make your body show up in the image. For this shot, I set the camera to manual settings at ISO 400 and a 20-second long exposure.